Hello, in today's video I'm going to tell you all about the online school and everything that you need to know about online schooling. An online school or a virtual school is a school where the teacher is teaching the students completely through the online mode with the usage of an internet. There are many benefits to this online schooling. The first one is that there is no place or time boundary. Anywhere in the world can join the class at their time convenience and they can learn about any topic. This brings me to the second one, which is convenience and flexibility. Suppose you as a teacher cannot take the class, but you also have to complete the syllabus. All you have to do is just record your lecture and it is available to all your students. You can even take extra classes according to everyone's convenience because this saves, which is my third point, the time and the commuting and all of those expenses. In an online school, the education does not just stop into the virtual classroom. It continues outside of classroom in the form of videos or articles or external links to notes and many more. Not just this, it creates an interactive environment in the class which compels the student to be more engaged and interested in the topic. Online school is also extremely beneficial for the students who are a little afraid to ask their doubts or ask questions in a traditional classroom setting. Because here everything is digital mode, the student is able to type out their questions or doubts in the chat box and also able to put forward their creative idea by just typing it to the teacher. Overall, online education provides a seamless education experience to the teacher as well as the student. Now there are some essential elements to an online school. The first one is recording. Now you cannot take a class on time, or if some students are not able to attend the class, don't worry, because online schooling allows you to record your lecture. This will help your students to go back to the lecture and refer to it, or if they have missed the class, they can just look at your lecture. The second is attendance. Now you don't have to call out every student's name like in the traditional classroom setting. This will also help you save some time. Well, your students can just either type out the name in the chat box or you can send them an attendance form. And some platforms even allow you to download the attendance with the login time and their names. The third is scheduling classes. Online schooling allows you to schedule your classes beforehand. This will give a reminder to your students of when the class is being held, as well as it will be easier for them to join. The fourth element is assignment portal. Now in a traditional classroom setting, you had to constantly remind your students about the deadlines coming up, be it a test, be it an assignment. But now, through the assignment portal, your students can upload their digital assignment once they have completed it. And of course, there is a deadline, so the portal itself will give them a reminder and you don't have to invest your time in reminding them every time. Online schools provide immense benefits to the students as well as the teachers. Now, if you're looking for a great online teaching platform, well, all you have to do is just go to your Play Store and download the Teacher app. It will take your educational institute and give it an online space. The Teacher app offers many features like managing the fees, managing attendance, conducting tests, uploading videos and notes and many more. Through this, you will acquire new students and teach seamlessly. So without further ado, just go to your Play Store, type Teacher app and press on download. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it.